Hello guys and welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to design February new month flyer in Photoshop. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. I would like you to help me do three things. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share them, and you can comment how you feel about the design too. These three things are very important because this is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. So I will like you to help me do three things. If you cannot do the three things, make sure you like the video. Thank you so much for doing so, and without wasting time, let's dive into today's work. So we go by these settings: 2000 by 2000, resolution 300, and we change the background to transparent. This is how the setting is going to be, and when we are done with that, we click on create. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do, let me go to my notepad, let me open it up. So the first thing we are going to do is to go to our adjustment layer, then go to solid color. So I'll go to my notepad now. I'll pick up the background color that we are going to use, the color code for the background color. Okay, so this will be the color code. I've copied it, so I'm going to paste it here. So I'll paste, Ctrl V to paste. So this is the background color that we'll be using. So I'm going to duplicate this. Ctrl J to duplicate, then I'm going to convert it to smart object. I need to convert it to smart object because I want to apply the noise. I want to add noise to it. So I'll add noise. So I'm going to go by 10. So I'll add this noise to it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my gallery, and I'm going to import this pattern. I'm going to drag it in. So after importing it, alright, I will click OK. Then I will change the blend mode to darken. So I will leave it like this. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, before I go to my gallery, I will add a new layer here. Then I want to create a light effect around this side and this side. So what will I do? I've created a new layer, be on our keyboard. So make sure your colors is on this. This will be the color code that I'm going to use for now. FF2E2E. FF2E2E. So I will click on OK. So I will tab on this area. So this is where I need the light effect. So I think one is okay. So let me tab on this side too. Okay, so I'm going to change the blend mode to screen. Alright, so I can either, okay, let me create a new layer too, and let me tab on this side too. Alright, so let me tab it once. If there is need for me to create another, I will do that. So I'll change it to screen. So, and let's proceed. Let me go to our adjustment layer, and I'm going to drag this vector and rose vector in. I'm going to place it at the top. So all the resources that I'm using is going to be at the description below. So just go there and you will see the link that will take you to the resource file. So don't be scared, everything will be at the description. So I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to group them. I think I make a mistake. So I'm going to group them, Ctrl G to group, then I'm going to name it background BG. Now to save time, then I'm going to lock it like this. Alright, and with this I'm done I'm done with my background. So I will start working on this part of React. So I'm going to import this image. Right, so I'm going to scale it. I'm going to scale it a bit. So let me import everything that I need to import. So I'll go to my Alright, for now we are done with importing and I'm done with importing what I want to import. So what I'm going to do is like I want to add CSS to it. So I want to add some effect on it. So this like HTML, so it's as if I want to add CSS to it. So I want to add some effect on it. So I'll start from this. I'm going to go to effect and go to blending option. So what I'll be doing here, I'm going to add inner glow and outer glow. So this will be the setting. So this will be the color code for the lighting part, and the other part is transparent. Just come over here and just choose basic, and from basic you can choose this one. You see, so that's what I do. So this will be um the light part, and the other part is transparent. Okay, so let's proceed. You can follow these settings for it, and you are going to get the same result. So for this part, I'm going to increase it a bit. Yeah, I'm going to increase it. Let me say like 65. Alright, so that's what I'll be doing. Alright, so let me add outer glow to it too. After inner glow, I'm going to add outer glow for this. Same thing goes with this. So same thing goes with this. Just follow the settings if you want to get the same result. So for this purpose of this one, I think I'm going to reduce this size. Yeah, I'm going to reduce this one. I'm going to reduce the size for this one alone, for this particular one alone. Alright, so I'm going to click on OK. Alright, so I'm done with this one. So let's proceed. I'm going to work on this one. This art icon. So I'm going to effect, go to blending option, then I'm going to give it a overlay, color overlay. The color overlay is white. The color overlay is white, just white, and the blend mode is normal. So that if you want to do that, same thing goes with inner glow. No, I'm not going to use inner glow, I'm going to use outer glow. So that same setting that I used the other time, so that's the same setting, so you can use it as well. Alright, so to make this, so I'm going to go to effect, go to blend option, then I'm going to give it gradient overlay. Alright, so this is the gradient overlay. This is the settings. So just go to gradient. So for this part, choose basic as well. This is the color code for the first one. Then click OK when you are done. And for the second one, you can use this color code. Okay. So do you get it now? Yes. So when you are done with that, just click OK. So there's nothing much. Follow the normal settings and click OK. Alright, so that's how you get this. So for this one, I'll just give it I change the color overlay, not gradient overlay. The last one was gradient overlay, but for this one, just color overlay. And we are done. So when we are done with that, I'm just going to group it and name it anything I want. Control G to group to love. So I'll leave it like that. For my hand not to be shaking it, I'm going to lock it. Alright, so the next thing I think we can do is to work the on the desk. So let's start. 3 on my keyboard. Then I'm going to tab on this area. I'm not going to use Montserrat. So this will be the first test. Welcome to um February month. Control A to select all. Then I'm going to change this one to white. I'll be using white. White. Alright, so I'm not going to use Montserrat, so I'm going to use this code. So this is going to be book, and I think 10 is okay, but you can increase it to 12. Okay, because of feasibility. Alright, so let's tab on this area as well, and let's write fair one. Okay, so I'm going to change this. Can you see the font that I'm using? So for this part, I'm going to use this cartoons bakery. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to increase it to 48. Yes. Alright, awesome. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to place it here. Alright. So I want to make sure that it's aligned with this, and I think it's properly aligned. So Control J to duplicate. Then I'm going to drag it here. I'm going to change this one to month. Alright, move it here. Should be in the middle. Okay. So because I want to make it fitting into this, so I think I'm going to reduce the size by 40, or I increase the heart shape. I don't want to do that. So I reduce it by 40. I reduce it to 40. I'm going to place it here. So welcome to February month. So the last thing we are going to do, so I'm going to see on our keyboard, I'm going to draw this text box. Alright, let me go to my gallery and let me pick up this. Change it to Montserrat regular or medium. Let me change it to medium. I think it will be more clear and more bigger. Alright. I click on this, then I press shift on my keyboard and I go to the last part. So that's how I select letting bulk. So Control G to group them. Then I'm going to name it text. So these things are very important to make our work look decent and well arranged. So I'm done with the test. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to our gallery again, import this image, then insert it here. So we are going to do one, two, three things on this. First thing that I'm going to do is to remove the background, and I'm also going to enhance it. So, and I'm going to transform it as well. So these are the three things I'm going to do. First thing, let's select it. Let's go to subject. Then I'm going to mask it and remove the background. Okay, so I'm going to mask. So I'm going to convert it to smart object. Mask it, convert to smart object. Alright, so I'll place it here. So Ctrl C on my keyboard. Then I'm going to right click on it. Then flip to horizontal. And flip it horizontal. So I want it to be like this. I want to enhance this image. So what I need to do, go to filter, go to camera raw filter, then I'm going to do the balance there. Can you not see the difference? Can you see the difference? This is camera raw filter and this without camera raw filter. This without camera raw filter and camera raw filter. Right, so I'm going to state. Okay, so let's start working on this. So I'm going to do a rough manipulation here. I'm going to drag this one here. I'm going to drag it to this. I'm going to drag it like this. I think the text will can now go to the top. Yes, I can work on this. I'm going to blend this one with the background. So I'm just going to layer. I'll go to layer, then I will have change the foreground color to this, to our background. So I'm going to press B on our keyboard. I'm going to, so before we proceed, so let me go to our layer. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this too. I'm going to create a new layer. No, it's going to be here. Yes, it's going to be here. So I want to add light. So I've changed the foreground color to this, to the one that we use to add light the other time. So I'll tap on this area. Then I'll change this, the blend mode to screen. Alright, change this screen, Okay, I think let me go to background. Let me tap on this. Create a new layer. Then let me unlock the background, the group, and let me still add a light effect here. Okay, so let me change it to screen. Okay, change something goes with this. Okay, so I think the next thing we are going to do, let me go back to my gallery. Then I'm going to import my logo. I'm going to insert it here. So I will go to my effect and I'm going to do with the blend mode. I'm going to give it white overlay. Okay, color overlay rather. Let me group it. Control Q to group, and I'm going to name it logo. Right. And as well, let me group this one. So before we round off, I'm going to copy this. Let me unlock this. Control. I'm going to copy this. Control J to go to copy. So I'm going to drag it. I'm going to drag it to this image. So I'm going to insert it inside this. So it has entered the group. Our work is looking awesome. It's fine. So the only thing I'm going to do is to merge all our design together. Alt Control Shift E on our keyboard. Then I'm going to change the blend mode to soft light. And this is good. This is nice. It's nice. Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay, and with this we come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I know you've gained value from this video, so don't forget to like this video, share them, and also comment how you feel about the design. It is very important because this is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Thanks so much for doing so, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.